Gotcha! Oops. Leo! Yoo-hoo!
Eek! I need to hide.
You can't get away from me that easily!
It's worth a shot. Huh? What the…
Now it's just us. Leo?
Leave me alone!
Not so fast! Cute photo.
Now's my chance.
Where did he go?
See ya! Wow, this is so interesting. Huh? Oh no, not again! Luckily, I'm prepared this time.
I thought I heard Leo. Where is he? What was that? That was weird. What's going on here? Oh, I see. It's a game! This can go.
She never stops! Oh no, I'm trapped! Or am I? Whoa! Parkour! This is a workout! I think I'm safe.
Hey, cutie!
Ah! I need out of here!
You're going nowhere!
Ah!
You can't escape!
Ah!
You're surrounded!
Whoa! I've got it! The lockers!
Plenty of room in here! Come on in! Hi, Leo.
Wow, an escape route! How handy is that? So I go that way? No t-shirts. Seems legit. I feel so liberated. Where am I? Is that a shrine? The sign was a trap. How did I not see this coming? Where did all this come from? It's so creepy. There must be a way out.
I've got you at last!
No! It was just a nightmare.
Sweet dreams, my love. I need to see Leo. What's going on in there? My very own Leo memory box. The swab the Leo cleaned his ears with belongs in here. It means so much to me. I'll treasure it forever. Oh, I've got to have it! Oh, Leo's awake. I can't let him see this. I need to hide. This seems like a good place. Oh well. In I go. Ouch! I can be alone with my treasures.
What was that?
I need my privacy.
It's probably nothing. I just can't put this book down.
Leo! It's me! I'm coming in! No door can stop me! Oops. I have your door handle.
Whatever.
Cool. I need to get that memory box. What's going on out there? This should do it!
Can you keep it down?
Sorry. I love freshly squeezed orange juice.
Okay, just be quiet.
This calls for the explosive stuff. A little mental powder in the lock. And now for the soda. This should open the lock. Steady.
Why is it so smoky?
Maybe there was too much mental powder.
You don't see that every day.
Okay, let's try the high-tech approach. Accessing the bin mainframe. I need a jacket. I'm through the first security protocol. Disabling the firewall.
Hey, are you watching a movie?
Abort! Abort!
Wait, is that me?
No! Pretend you didn't see that!
Oh, it's too early for this.
Still locked. This is tricky.
I'll put this in the trash. I'm so sleepy.
It wasn't locked? Give me that! Wow. Look at this. I can explain.
Is that my underwear?
Well, the thing is,
I've been looking for them!
don't look at me. Dear Diary, I love Leo so much.
Open wide. You're so cute when you eat.
Delicious. And he acts like I don't exist. My heart is broken! The pain is just too much. Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? I need to stop this. Ready? Aim, fire! Fly, my pretty.
You're so beautiful. Huh?
Is that a paper plane?
Oh. I guess that's that.
Phew, that was close. That was an impressive aim.
Cheers!
This is so nice. Leo!
Don't look at me!
You're so disgusting! That time is over. Trust me, it'll be romantic. Ready?
Please don't cut me.
Wow, Leo. It's like Bigfoot down here. This might take some time.
I suppose I should relax.
Oh, an opportunity for some Leo DNA. I'll be able to clone him soon. Ugh. Leo needs to buy deodorant. All done. This hair gets everywhere. My turn.
Whoa! I might need something sharper than a razor. This requires a heavy-duty equipment. It's like trimming a hedge.
It tickles. What a day.
Surprise! I couldn't be apart from you.
Stop, guys!
Ugh. Quick, drive!
You left me behind, guys! Guys! Wait for me! I need to work on my cardio. I'm so glad we're having a date night.
It's been so long.
And they didn't invite me. But I have a plan. Nice and quiet.
Oh, I like that. Kiss me. Whoa!
What was that?
Excuse me. Is someone under there? A fake hand.
Oops. That's mine.
That's strange.
I hold it when you're away.
Okay.
This is a lot of blankets.
My boxer shorts. Gross. I like them.
No one's there. It's just us.
Oh, right.
Leo! This is cozy. Ugh. They make me sick. I need out of here. I'm glad I went to spy school. Where are you, Leo? Target acquired. Oh, I might have known. Time to spring into action. Here goes. Blend in with the surroundings. This is sore on my elbows. I need to get closer. Be like a ghost. They suspect nothing. Why did it have to be concrete? Ouch. Ouch! Huh? I look hot. I need to be quick! This won't help my asthma. Come on! My spade! It'll have to do! Reverse! Back up! This dress is just gorgeous. I hope this works. Keep going. Whoa! Help! Yes! Now for the next part of my plan. I'll take that. Look at me, I'm so pretty. Leo will be mine. How does she walk like this? Hello, cutie. Oops.
These are for you.
They're beautiful.
Not as beautiful as you.
Give me a foot massage.
Maybe later. I thought we could have some tea. Pass me your cup.
Such a gentleman.
Careful, it's hot.
Delicious!
Okay. Anyway, let's relax.
True love never runs smooth, but when it does, it's magical. How would you get the attention of your crush? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.